Thanks to science, we understand more and more why meditation is so good for us. This study found something surprising. Meditation can increase your dopamine levels. Dopamine might be one of the reasons why meditation is such an incredibly effective treatment for depression. There are many ways of meditating. A Google or YouTube search can quickly give you advice from some of the most respected meditation practitioners. The book 8-Minute Meditation gives you a quick introduction to 8 of the most popular methods of meditation. If you want to go more in depth, I can recommend the book The 3 Pillars of Zen. The quick and easy answer is that you focus on your breath and let go of the thoughts that arise. If you have never done any meditation, I can recommend this easy exercise as a start. Sit in a straight back chair with both feet planted on the ground. Set your timer for as many minutes as you wish to meditate. I recommend minimum 4 minutes and a maximum 30 minutes for each session. Take a deep breath through your nose and down deep into your stomach. Let both the inhalation and the exhalation last for 3 to 4 seconds. Stop for 1 second in between. Feel and focus on the air rushing over your nostrils. Take 3 of these long breaths, and then let your breathing fall into natural rhythm. Every time you become aware of a thought, let it go and go back to focusing on your nostrils. When you start relaxing and your breathing slows down, it becomes more difficult to notice the air rushing over your nostrils. This forces you into deeper focus. Keep doing this until the alarm sounds. Realize that you're always successful when meditating. Trying is success. We will revisit meditation when it is time to boost the other neurotransmitters.